Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are travel 300 kilometers just to change our car tire. Okay, for your guys information, we are actually traveling from Penang to KL. That's almost roughly around 300 kilometers. And since we are traveling this far on the car, so we are thought of just showing you guys some tips on what to do or what to concern when you're traveling this far on the car, in the car. Okay, first one, check your engine oil level at the morning. And second, check your water cooler level at the morning too. Third, check your tire pressure and the conditions. Fourth, check wiper condition and wiper water level. Fifth, check your front and your back light. Sixth, check your brake pad and your brake oil level. This one we don't know, so ask your mechanic to do that. 7. Check spare tire air pressure and the tools to change your car tire. Just in case if your car tire punctured, you need some tools to change your tire. 8. Bring your sunglasses, because to me it will help my eyes not so tired when driving long distance. Oi! Oi! Another important point, make sure you have enough rest before you travel this far or driving this far. So we are right now arrived at the Ipoh Tunnel, the SOP for all the cars that have modified their exhaust system. Bang! 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 Here we go, after 4 hours of driving, we finally have reached KL. And I'm expecting traffic jam when I reach KL. Surprisingly, it is not. So actually, this is the reason why we come here to change our tire in such a long distance. It's because it's almost half a price at Penang. Half a price at Penang. So at this point, we just realized that our friends give us the wrong information. Okay, the half price is real half price, but the problem is, it's different brand. The tire that he is looking for is Toyo. Now we are fixing one is Bridgestone. Two different things. Although it's half price, but different grade. We must compare apple to apple. Now it is not. So what is our purpose now? Heading and back from KL, total 700 kilometers for what? Now I also don't know already. I only got one words to say. Do for sky look. Pui! How xiao. Got. There's something that in this trip that I have learned, which is this machine. A very traditional alignment machine that I have never seen before. Hello, so this will be our next content, the Michelin high-speed programmable tire inflator. Next content. Okay, this is the machine that I found quite rarely in my area, especially my area Penang. and also my first time to see this machine. So if you guys know about this machine or any history about this machine, do comment below and let me learn more. And that's all for today. Do remember to subscribe to our channel.